take ourselves too seriously. We like to make products that are colorful, fragrant, and fun, that make people happy when they use them, but yet they use the highest quality ingredients that are out there. We live in an area that's very close to the beach, and the beach is very important to our culture. We want to be sure that the beach and our environment is always protected and is always usable for everybody to enjoy. So we want to create products that not only make people happy, but also reflect our care for the environment.